everyone, this is Janice and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make an egg spread. My mother used to make this egg spread for me when I was growing up. Just showing you how to make this egg spread brings me a lot of good memories. To make this egg spread, you will need 2 hard-boiled eggs, a pickle, and mayonnaise. Okay, I already went ahead and I boiled my 2 eggs, and in order to do that, I put some water in a pot and I let my eggs boil for about 20 minutes, and after they're boiled, I will let them cool for about 2 hours. The first step is to break your eggs, take the shells off, peel them, put them in a bowl. And once you take the eggshells off, you put them in a bowl, and then you do the other egg and you start peeling them as well. When you have both eggs peeled, the next step is to cut up the egg into small pieces. Okay. I have all my eggshells taken off from my eggs. Then I will proceed and put them in a bowl. Then I will start cutting my eggs to small pieces. Do the same thing with the other egg. Cut them up. Then after I have all my eggs diced, the next thing would be to get my pickle. Okay, now I put my pickle on a plate, and then I dice it into small pieces. And make sure that when you take the pickle out of the jar, that you try to release all that liquid in there, because you don't want your egg spread to be very juicy, because you'll be adding the mayonnaise in your bowl. All my pickles are diced. Now I am ready to put my diced pickles into my plate here with the egg that's already cut up. And you can just mix it around a little bit. And then the next thing would be to put some mayonnaise on my egg spread. You can put as much mayonnaise as you want, or as little as you want. Okay, now I mix it all together, making sure the mayonnaise gets all the eggs and the pickles all mixed in. And for this egg spread, after you have it all mixed in, you can either eat it by itself like this, or you can make yourself a sandwich, and it's all up to you. This is so quick and easy to make, and anybody can make it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you and your family will enjoy this egg salad as much as I did. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.